Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Synchrony Bank how to transfer funds. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer funds on Synchrony Bank, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Synchrony Bank app, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is log into your Synchrony account, and then once logged in, simply navigate to the transfer section. Then add or link the external account by entering the bank's routing and account numbers. Synchrony may send this micro deposits to the external account for verification. Choose the transfer direction to or from Synchrony amount and whether it's one-time or recurring transfer. Then review and confirm the transaction, including authentication via password or two-factor methods. Then funds typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days with both accounts to ensure the funds complete successfully. Note that federal regulations limit 6 transfers or withdrawals per statement cycle from savings or money market accounts. This includes automatic or telephone transfers, ATM withdrawals, and mail checks don't count toward the limit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.